Hello friends, first of all I want to say thank you to all my subscriber because here is added more than 1000 subscriber, so it's a big achievement for us. So I want to say thank you to all my subscriber once again. Today we are going to work on an interesting project. It is YouTube subscriber counter. Let us start. So this is a schematic diagram. I am using here NodeMCU and this is I2C LCD. So VCC is connected to 3.3 volt and sorry, here is some mistake. It is not 3.3 volt. I will connect this V in because it's 5 volt output. Okay, and SCL is connected to D1 pin and SDA is connected to D2 pin. Ground is common. Now we will go to Arduino programming. So first of all we have to import library here, YouTube API. So I will go to Sketch, include library, manage library. Here I will search YouTube API. Okay, this is YouTube API library. I will install this. It's installed, so close. I will go to example. This is YouTube API. Click on ESP8266 and channel statistics. This is the code. Here is YouTube API library and here we have to type SSID name, password, YouTube API and channel ID, and on serial monitor it will print subscriber number and view count, comment count and video count, and it will update every 1 minute. So I have created here a code, it's edited. Here I have added already I2C LCD with 20x4 LCD. So here I will type SSID name. My network SSID name is white loop and password is we need to API key and ID. So we will create an YouTube account. I open my browser. Google, and here I will search Google API. Click on consoledevelopers.google.com. Okay, here I will to check and agree and continue. And go to library. Here we have to create a new project. So I will type here new project name, YouTube subscriber, click on create. Okay, and go to YouTube data library. I will enable this. This is my YouTube account, and here click on credential, and create credential, add API key, I will copy this API key and I will close. I will paste here my API key, and here I need channel ID. So go to again browser, go to youtube.com, and here click on this DP and go to setting, and here advanced setting. This is channel ID, so I will copy this and go to again Arduino programming, and I will paste here. I think code is ready. So here is YouTube API object. Here I am passing API key and client. Here API dot channel state dot subscriber count, it will return subscriber, and it will return view, and it will return comment count, and it will return video count. So I will connect the board. So here it's okay, NodeMCU 1.0 and port number is correct. I will compile and upload. So I will click. Wow, uploading done successfully. You can see here subscriber is 1010 and view is 33,355, comments is 0, and video count is 141. So I hope you understood this and you enjoyed this video. So guys, please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.